Hello, freshman multimedia. So, your first video assignment is going to be something that's going to help you with your final project, and the second part of what we'll do with WeVideo will continue that. So we're really building our final project in smaller chunks. So what we want to do using WeVideo is to create an introduction. So we have the project right here, and if we look at the assignment, view assignment, here are the directions. So using the webcam recording feature on WeVideo, record you on camera, introducing yourself and describing what 3 multimedia projects you'll be showing or talking about in project number 2. So I have a sample script for you to take a look at. Do you have to use it? No. Is it helpful? Yes. This video right here will act as kind of a sample, but I'll also attach just a sample video as well. Your introduction should be a minimum of 20 seconds and a maximum of 30 seconds. So your final project is going to be like a 30-second intro, like a 2-minute median, like body of your video that explains like the 3 projects that you picked, and then maybe a 20 to 30 second like exit or summary or outro, as they say. So here we go with kind of the script. So you can see what I've put together here. Remove that. Here's a script that you could use. So the first blank, I'll just read through it. So hello, my name is blank. I'm a freshman student at Bullard High School. I'm involved with blank on campus as well. My multimedia class with Mr. Cheney this year included the main subjects of graphic design, photography, animation, videography, and music creation. My final project involves reflecting on the projects that we did. I've chosen to show and talk about my favorite 3 projects, which are, and I've listed the main projects that we did throughout the year. So graphic design from semester 1, coding stuff that we've done, photography stuff that we've done, videography, obviously we're doing that now, and then some of the animation stuff. So if I go to WeVideo and I go to create new and I do recording, I'm going to do a webcam only for this one. So I'll press next, and I think it's not going to allow me to do this because I'm already on a screencast doing a recording. So that's fine. That's how you're going to do it as far as the webcam is concerned. You'll record what that is, and you'll get something that kind of looks like this. So I've done a couple just as examples. I did this obviously with people in class.
I am a teacher here at Bullard High School. I also coach, and I have clubs, and in the next 2.5 minutes I'm going to go through my 3 favorite projects of multimedia. So here we go. Here's the camera. Hi.
Okay, so that's just kind of an example. That one's only 17 seconds, so I would have had to have done a little bit more, so that's why I suggest going through this script right here in order to do yours. So I'm going to attach this tutorial to that assignment, and also me recording using this script as a sample for you. So head back to Google Classroom and let's take a look at the rest of this project.